आज हम नेशनल इनकम के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। देखेंगे नेशनल इनकम क्या होता है। नेशनल इनकम इज़ द सम टोटल ऑफ फैक्टर incomes earned by normal residents of a country during the period of 1 year. National income is also defined as the sum total of market value of final goods and services produced by normal residents of a country in 1 year. The value of the output of goods and services produced in an economy over a period of time. Increase in national income means that the economy has grown. Economic growth. It is assumed richer nation can have a more comfortable life, more issue time, more choice, etc. Meaning of national income. National income is the money value of all the final goods and services produced by a country during a period of 1 year. National income consists of a collection of different types of goods and services. Concept of national income. First, gross domestic product. Second, gross national product. Third, net national product. Fourth, national income. Fifth, personal income. And sixth, disposable personal income. Gross national product, GDP, is the total money value of all final goods and services produced within a country border in a specific period of time. Second is gross national product. Gross national product is defined as the sum of the gross domestic product and net factor incomes from abroad. Thus, in order to estimate the gross national product of India, we have to add net factor income from abroad, income earned by non-resident in India, to form the gross domestic product of India. Third is net national product. It is the market value of a nation's goods and services minus depreciations. Depreciations measures the amount of GNP that must be spent on new capital goods to maintain the existing physical capital stock. NNP equals to gross national product minus depreciations. Fourth is national income. Conceptually, national income is the money value of all goods and services in country during a period of 1 year. Personal income. Personal income is the income that households and non-corporate business receive. Unlike national income, it includes retained earnings, which is income that corporations have earned but have not paid out to their owners. In addition, it includes households' interest income and government transfers. Last is disposable personal income. Personal income is the income that household and non-corporate business have left after satisfying all their obligations to the government. It equals personal income minus personal taxes and certain non-tax payment. Thank you.